Hi guys. So this is the Galaxy S25 base model, 256 gigs of storage. I already opened it because I was trying to film, but then I realized that there was the small sticker with the IMEI, IMEI, I think, yeah. And so I had to restart. It's gorgeous. It's incredible. It's kind of light blue, light green. I don't know. It's so pretty. Um, I can only film with one hand because the other one is. I can only, yeah, unbox with one hand because the other one is filming. But oh my gosh. Oh, it feels so good. Compared to my normal phone, this is a S10e with a case. With a case. This is what it's like. A little bit taller, but I think it should be fine. So let's, oh no, let's open up the sticker. This is the first time I'm buying a phone with my own money and a brand new phone. Sorry, the video got cut. That is incredible. The screen is just, whoa. Actually, no, it might be better like this. It is so pretty. So yeah, that's it. And then you get a small cable, I believe. A small USB-C to C cable. With the guide, with the SIM ejector tool, the cable, and that's it. That's the unboxing. I mean, just incredible. It looks so pretty. I guess I'll make a video of like how good the phone is, how good it holds up and everything compared to my usage in a few weeks, in a few months. I need time to like test it out. But yeah, I mean, first ever phone that I got myself. Pretty nice. And that's it. I'll see you guys in another video. Have a good one. Bye.